Hi, my name is Amanda.
I'm Steve.
I'm a high school choral director.
And I work for a large IT distributor. I had a Facebook ad find me using their artificial intelligence algorithms. It's a really crazy story. I actually work and sell systems that do AI, so as soon as it flagged me, I knew how it did it. I've always been a big fan of the 1903, which we incorporated into our band. The ad that came up was different than the ring we chose, but it completely stopped me in my tracks. I immediately looked at it, showed her, and I just completely fell in love with the idea of a ring made using parts from a 1903.
I've never seen him get excited over a piece of jewelry, ever. So when he came to me that excited, we said, let's do this.
We used a rifle stock and ground brass from actual spent brass that we shot out of one of my rifles. I chose a brand of bullets made by the company that actually made the handguns that we carry on a daily basis. I had one. First time she fired it, she wouldn't give it back.
I liked it better than my own handgun, and so I kept it, but it was hideous and this ugly, like, military brown color that I don't do. I like colors. So for Christmas that year, he bought me the same gun, but it's black with pink accents, so then he could have his gun back. So that company, we used their ammo to shoot the brass that we then used and got ground up for his ring.
The brass that we were able to fire together, something that, no matter where I am, there'll still be that connection. We helped make part of the ring. We helped bring it into existence.
It was just so neat. Like I said, I've never seen him excited over jewelry at all. And usually weddings aren't the thing that the guy is excited over anyway. So it was really neat that he was so passionate about this that we were able to not only get the ring and get it made out of the 1903 that he's so obsessed over, but that we were also able to use our own brass and go fire it together at my parents' range and then put it in his ring.
The flexibility of being able to customize it. I do things where I'm always banging my fingers, and that first ring was absolutely beautiful, but it was made out of wood, and I was so afraid that something would happen to it. And we were able to find something that has the same look, but is more durable because it starts with a metal band. You were local, I feel like it was really meant to be. We weren't working with someone across the country. You have vets here who have served, and so they kind of can see the connection, the importance of a rifle to the soldier, and it all just kind of came together perfectly. I don't know that I have a single favorite part. The whole experience from beginning to end has been top-notch.